Number one, coronaviruses are viruses. They're not bacteria, so you have to treat them very differently. I am using this as a visual, but we could pretend this is a coronavirus, and really they are named after the corona of like the sun. They have these little spikes sticking out, and they also have an envelope, a very particular kind of fragile envelope that they need to infect new cells. And on that note, like all viruses, they have to use specific landing gear to attach to our cell, and then they enter our cell and take over our cells. And once they get into our cell has to make more viruses. The viruses will dictate how that is done. They use our cells' resources, they take over our cells, and then they leave and go to other cells, maybe in your body or in someone else's body. Now, the coronavirus, as you should know, it's a big family. If something has fur or feathers, it probably has its own unique little coronaviruses. Even humans have coronaviruses. In fact, you and I might have had a coronavirus in the past, but we thought, this kind of feels like an achy flu kind of thing, but it might have been a coronavirus. And so they're very, very common. Even whales get coronaviruses. The problem occurs is when they jump from an animal to a human host. That's when we get things like pandemics. This first came to our attention in 2003 with SARS. Now, SARS, which was severe acute respiratory syndrome, and then if you add coronavirus, you have the name of the virus. So we would say the first one would have been SARS-CoV. Okay. Now, this one actually transferred from civet cats or bats to humans, and that caused a big pandemic. Some viewers might remember this from 2003. It was a very long time ago. It did get all the way to North America, but it was primarily stopped in Canada.